Hello again, it's Pete from PBT Installations. Caught the sun, blue sky, beautiful weather, still in sunny France. Just a continuation of a couple of previous videos that I've made about heat pumps and heating and cooling. I thought it's very important to mention about how best to run our heat pumps. I think it's very important to understand that obviously as all of our systems are becoming electric, heat pumps, cars, the house we cook with electricity, we everything is literally run on electricity. I think it's very important to know how we can make sure that we're running the system as cheaply as possibly can. So we have developed systems that work together, that can afford the homeowner to run the house as cheaply as possibly can. We can store electricity from excess solar to then run in the heat pump to generate hot water. We can store cheap electricity from the night time when electricity is generally cheaper in batteries that we're getting again will be consumed within the whole property or in the heat pump. The whole idea is that the systems that we install, this is now talking about a heat pump with the battery, work together. Now, if you've known me a couple of years, 5 years even, we've been looking into heat pumps. We've been fitting heat pumps for the best part of 10 years now. We've always said that the questions were, I want to fit solar panels to run my heat pumps. Now, that's not really something we agreed with. You can't, heat pumps use electricity mainly in the winter when we need heating, and solar panels generate electricity in the summer when we've got sunshine and no heating is required. Now, obviously battery technology has improved, batteries are getting cheaper. I do think that the market is flooded with batteries that I wouldn't necessarily advise anybody to fit. So for that reason, come and talk to us at PBT Installations. We've got systems that can work best for you as a whole for your property. So I suppose I'll see you on the next one. This one was about batteries. Pete from PBT Installations. See you soon.